What's up, party people?
Let me see what you have.
No! Oh, hi. What's up, party people? It's your girl Carter. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. I'm going to be making a DIY hair mask with coconut oil, 1 avocado, aloe vera, Jamaican black castor oil, and argan oil. I just heard a lot of reviews about all these like ingredients and what the benefits they have for your hair, and yeah, so let's get started. So first I'm going to be taking aloe vera. I'm going to cut this. So then I'm going to cut the edges. This is slow slimy. As you guys can see, I'm kind of struggling. I'm just peeling it. There's still a lot of aloe vera on these leaves. I'm gonna keep these leaves and save them for later. Cut all of this. And here, we're gonna blend it. We're gonna wanna cut the edge. So now we're gonna do the same thing that we did with that really small piece. I'm struggling. Okay, now we have finished with the aloe vera. So this is all I got. It's time to cut the avocado. This shouldn't be as hard as cutting the aloe vera. So now we're going to take the ball out. I don't know the nut. I don't know what to call it. Up. Put inside. So here's the easy part that I've been waiting for. I'm gonna do 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil. Okay, so now we have coconut oil and the avocado in here. Now we're gonna take my favorite thing to use, Jamaican black castor oil. So I'm gonna take 1/2 teaspoon. So now we're gonna take the intensive argan oil, take 1/2 teaspoon. To use a little bit of pure 100% Italian olive oil. Olive oil is good for mostly like thick, dry hair. It kind of weighs down thin hair, and it's really good because it makes your hair like strong and moist. So we're gonna take 1/4. Now for the blending. We want it to be watery, but that's a pretty good watery consistency. So now we want to blend. This will take maybe a few tries. We're gonna add the aloe vera to our mix. So what we have is a really creamy like texture mask. This is what we want. So now that we're done creating our mask that looks like amazing and what we want, and so now that we're done, we apply it. So here is our concoction. Remember these that I said we would use earlier? Right now we are going to section our hair into 4 parts. Okay, now that our hair is sectioned, we're going to take one of those sections. We're gonna take one of these and literally put it in our hair. And you wanna do this for every section of hair. Now that we're done with that, we are going to do the next step, which is applying our concoction. I'm gonna wait about an hour for this to dry, and then I'm gonna rinse my hair off and we'll see how it looks.
An hour later.
I'm gonna take a shower now. Ugh, it smells kind of weird.
Eventually.
Hey guys, so I just took a shower and put some products in my hair. I think because of the products I put, like it just kind of feels like, you know, like it has product in it, but it definitely feels like really soft. If you guys want a video on like what products I have, which ones I use the most, which ones I use the least, how they're good for you, the benefits of them, why I got them, when I got them, like all that stuff, just leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe. I also forgot to mention one more thing. I'm gonna put in the description box all the ingredients that I use, why you should use them, how they're good for your hair, all that good stuff. Again, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you next time. Bye!